provide me the same video of link http://youtube.com watch =xupum47 fjse. Now let's delve into the second key point. This one is crucial for understanding the broader implications of our discussion. As we explore this concept, keep in mind how it interlinks with what we've covered so far. Now let's delve into some expert opinions on the matter. It's crucial to understand the various perspectives that shape our understanding of this topic. Moving on to our third key point, it's important to highlight how these developments impact the broader spectrum. This aspect is often overlooked, but is vital for a comprehensive understanding. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think about the points we've discussed today? Feel free to share your views in the comments below. In conclusion, we've covered a lot of ground today. Remember, the key is not just to acquire knowledge, but to understand and apply it effectively. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to our next discussion.